One part of any thriving garden's ecosystem is its birds. I know those birds are going to eat the bad bugs, so I want to continue to support them and invite them into my garden by providing them with some food. They had absolutely destroyed the food in my first King's Yard bird feeder, so I got them another one. My favorite part about these bird feeders is that they're made with a high quality metal and there's no plastic, so they're really high quality and easy to assemble, install, and refill.